In this video, let's take a look at the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Interest is either money your money earns over time or money you pay if you borrow money. Let's first look at the formulas for simple interest and compound interest, and we can begin to see the difference between the two. The formula for simple interest is I equals P times R times T. I is the interest earned. P is the principal. In other words, either the amount of money you have saved or you have borrowed. R is the annual interest rate in decimal form. In other words, just divide the interest rate by 100. And then T is time in years. Now in compound interest, the interest actually earns some money, or you pay money on the interest that is earned. So let's look at this formula. It's A equals P times, in parentheses, 1 plus R, and then that's going to be raised to the T power. So A is the final amount, in other words, the amount of interest you're going to earn. P is the principal, again, the amount you either start with or owe. R is the annual interest rate, again in decimal form. Now here's the difference. T is time in years. In other words, how often will you get paid interest? And in these examples, we're just going to get paid in interest 1. So T will be 1 times the amount of years. So let's get started with a couple of examples. Okay, so here is the scenario. The principal is going to be $5,000. Your interest rate is going to be 6%, and it's going to be for 4 years. So then we plug it into the formula. The principal is $5,000. When you convert 6% to a decimal, it is 0.06, and then we're going to multiply it by 4 years. When we do that, the amount of interest you earn is $1,200. Pretty straightforward. And hey, that's not bad for doing nothing. But then again, if you've borrowed that money, you have to pay an extra $1,200. Now let's look at the compound interest. We're going to use the same scenario, $5,000, 6% interest rate for 4 years, and your interest is only going to be paid once a year. So again, we're going to take $5,000, but this time in parentheses, it's going to be 1 times the interest rate, which is 0.06, and then that's going to be raised to the 4th power. When you take 1.06 raised to the 4th power, you get 1.26247696. When you multiply this times 5,000, you get $6,312.38. Okay? Now, if we subtract 5,000 from this, because that's the original amount, in interest you either pay or earn is $1,312.38. So when you look at the simple interest and compound together, right next to each other, obviously you make more money with compound interest than simple interest. So there we go. I hope that was helpful in figuring out the difference between simple interest and compound interest. And remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.